Hey guys, it's going to be another week or so before I produce a full-length video because I'm not going to get down to the boat until next Monday, the 17th for the inspection. Anyway, so I decided to do a little mini episode right now. It's just basically me kind of having a day with the dogs, so y'all enjoy. They don't know it yet, but they're about to get really excited for the wrong reason. So they think they're about to go for a WALK, but what's going to happen is we are going to do that, but we're walking to the dog groomer, so... All right, boys. Do you want to go for a walk? Oh, your tail's wagging. Want to go for a walk? Oh, okay, let's go for a walk. Let's get your leash. Why y'all are being so good? I told you to sit and stay. But now when I grab the leash, watch this. Okay, let's go for a walk. Yeah? Yeah? Want to go for a walk? Oh. I know, you're so excited. Oh, I'm gonna trip. Okay, okay, okay. Ready? Ready? Okay. Alright. Come on, let me get this. Alright, good. Ready? They're gonna get baths. They're all dirty and stinky. Soon they'll look like rats, and then they'll look like fluff balls. So, alright. Just a moment ago, the dogs looked like drowned rats, pretty nasty, and they smelled bad too. Now, you won't believe what they look like. Here they are. Fluff balls, polar bears, what's up? Maverick, how you doing, Goose? You guys are so fresh and so clean. You're awesome. They really are sweet dogs. Get excited, come on. There you go, there you go, there you go. Come on. Well, thank you for watching this mini episode. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button down below. And there's also in the show notes, there's a link to my Patreon page. That will really help us keep going on our journey. When we get it going, it'll start, gosh, it's only a matter of weeks away. But thanks so much anyway. Subscribe and check out my Patreon site. Thanks.